Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix flashlight on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you are using iOS 18 and if you try to click on your flashlight and if it is not working or if its brightness is low, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to simply go to general, and here you have to simply click on transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply click on general again, and you have to simply click on software update, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS on your device. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back again, and you have to simply search for flashlight in your settings, and here you have to simply search for flash. So here you can simply search the settings, because as you can see there are options for flashlights, flashlight when unlock, flash in silent mode. So you can simply select any of the option if you want to change the settings. But if you want to change the brightness, then you have to simply press and hold the flashlight, and after that, as you increase the brightness strength, as you can see, it will change the brightness. So if you want to change these settings, you can simply access from here. What you have to do, you have simply press and hold your flashlight, and after that you can simply see that it is working. But if it is not working, then you can simply try to restart your device, and after that you have simply turn it all again, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply go to the Apple Store and ask for the solution of the problem. If the problem is still there, then you can simply go to the Apple discussion and ask for the solution. To many iPhone user, you can simply discuss from here. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.